Long Creek Falls is a 70-meter tall waterfall situated a few kilometers from Sabie. It is the most popular waterfalls in the area. There's a tar road leading straight to the falls, but it is riddled with potholes. There's also a short paved footpath from the parking to the falls. I recommend that you also check the Horseshoes Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Sabie Falls in the same day. Make it a waterfall day. Check out the link in description for location of the falls. Hey guys, I've just arrived here at the Long Creek Falls. Now the road to this place is bad. It is bad. Potholes. So I'm gonna hike up there to the falls and see if it is worth it. So I guess we're gonna find out if this place is worth the trouble. I'm talking about the road. The road to this place is bad. So this trail is paved. When you look at the trail, you might think that it's a bit slippery, but it's not. I'm not having problem. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. So when you come here, you might consider wearing shoes that are not your favorite. Wow. So we're here, guys. The Long Creek Falls. Wow. Truth be told, I didn't know that this thing is majestic. Now there's a little bridge here over the river. Wow. Let me see if it's possible to go where that man is. So no swimming is allowed here. Wow. This thing is, I don't know if the audio is clear, but this water is thundering. Whoa. Okay. It says no entry here, so but there's a trail here.
It looks like people are not heeding to the warning. Well, I'm gonna be a good kid. I'm not gonna go where I'm not supposed to go. Maybe not. Let's go check this place out. Hey guys, I'm totally advising against passing this board. I'm doing this at my own risk. This place is muddy. Whoa, okay. I think, wow. No, it's too muddy. I'm not planning to wash my shoes anytime soon. You're gonna have to forgive me, guys. I understand that I'm doing this for you, but it's too muddy. So I'm just gonna shoot from here. Do you like this video? If you do, make sure you subscribe. Wow. I don't think this camera can do justice to this thing. Wow. This is crazy. Well, it's true. I was complaining about the road. The road is bad. But I'm gonna tell you this, it's worth it. You need to take your time and come here. I recommend these waterfalls, man. 10 out of 10. On the scale of the most epic waterfall, this is 10 out of 10. If you find time, if you ever want to do the panorama route tour, make sure you don't miss this one. And I think I'm getting a good deal here because it's early in the year and there's still a lot of water from the rainy season, but I don't know. This is, you have never seen anything like this before, I promise. The road to this place is bad, but the view is worth it. You cannot put a price on this view. So I want you to tell me after watching this video, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to come check these falls out? You better come. I'm leaving now. I don't know about you guys, but for the price I paid and the road being bad, I think the waterfall have made up for my losses. It is beautiful, it is big. I don't know, man. Like, you just have to see it for yourself. Like, I probably won't even come up with better words to describe how beautiful this waterfall is. And now I think I'm starting to understand why it's so popular. It is that good. Make sure you check it out.